surroundings of the house for sale, and that's the house. Ito yung neighborhood. You can see that's the PEO, and that's the Smart Tower. So madali lang sa Smart Bro. So ito yung house for sale na 300 square meter. So this is the surroundings, and that road, and this road. Ito yun, vacant, may isang bahay dito katabi. Sundalo rin may-ari pero patay na. So byuda at anak na lang yun nandito, tabing bahay na to. Ito yung for sale as you saw it on the website. Ito yung mga neighbors. Ito yung boundaries nya, right boundary. Medyo maulan lang ngayon dito, as you can see that from there. Yan yung Smart Tower, ito yung surroundings. Okay.